Hello everyone, in today's video we will be opening up these stamps. So, I guess we will just, Well, no, probably should just, so we want one of these rares out of 16. 36 stamps. Open up the first. See who we get. You get Russell Wilson and you get, we got Keenan Allen. I don't know if that's rare or not. Please help me. Anyways, second one. Gosh, it's so small. We got Derrick Henry, a running back. And we got, I have no idea who that is. I think Derrick Henry might be actually rare. Oh, yeah, of course he is. Alright, now we have Kyle Pitts, so I think that's pretty good. 49ers. Right. We have Pittman and we have Hunter. No idea who that is. So now put this. Okay. I'm gonna start putting these on top of here. We got a Kelsey thing. I am a big Chief fan, so I will like that. Yeah, we got Dalvin Cook, and yeah, we got some Dalvin Cook. And I'm gonna open okay, we have a few left. I think we got Justin Fields, Colts, and then we got CeeDee Lamb stuff. We got this one. So, everyone, we got a good one. Aaron Donald. That's a pretty good one, I think. And got Bang. And I'm gonna put them all apart so y'all can see them. Sorry if this wasn't really a good video. So I'm just trying to make this video. I haven't been posting a lot because I've been tired. I probably should put these all down. Oh my god, I suck at this. Why? Never ever opened one of these actually up. But, yeah. And yeah, here we have all this. We have this. I'm going to put everything in one thing real quick. Put it aside, and then we're going to look at this. See if we got a rare. Hopefully, I think that Aaron Donald might be good. Or any of the other ones. Some of the things. Is that actually it? Yeah, that's all it. Anyways. There I go. Right. Now, we'll put that. Alright, oh my god. That's a lot of names. Okay. How many names are there? Oh my god. Okay, right here. Is there honestly, y'all can pause the video and just look at it. Alright. This NFC one. Then we got the Steelers name. I don't think we got any Steelers names. Okay, I don't think so. There, Max Crosby, TJ Watt, Patrick. I wish I got a Patrick Mahomes one, but we do got this Series 2 one. Again, pause the video So then y'all could see that. Oh, wait a minute. It says a Chiefs one. Travis Kelce. Jersey. So yeah, pretty good. I don't know if the Travis Kelce jersey was good. Oh, so you have one odds and 40 pack for Joe Burrow. I don't like Joe Burrow. You know what? I like everyone. Just a little bit. I mean, sometimes. Alright. Well, we got Derrick Henry here. I don't know if Derrick Henry's one. I think Derrick Henry's one. Pretty sure he just went to the Ravens. Alright, anyways, that would be the end of the video. Bye-bye.